Hey guys, welcome to another exciting day of learning. Today we are finally going to begin Unit 6. Woo! And it's about our town. So, if you're ready, let's go. I hope you've all had a chance to look at the vocabulary before today. Some of the vocabulary from this unit we should know already, I think, but others we might be seeing for the first time today. So listen and repeat. Market, square, shopping center. Good. All of these things I think we know more or less. Market is a place we can go to buy many things like fresh fruit and vegetables, as well as fish and meat. The square that you see in this picture here, the number 2, is one of the most famous squares in Madrid, Sol, right? Can you think of another square that you know? I can think of many squares in Madrid that I know of, so I'm sure that you know some too. And a shopping center, of course, is a place where we go to visit many different stores that sell different types of things, right? We can go there to buy clothes, to buy, I don't know, if we need to go to an electronics store to buy a computer. A shopping center has many of these different types of stores. Okay, car park, train station, bus stop. Good. All of these places, I think we know also. We park our car in a car park, of course. And the train station and the bus stop we can use to help us travel to different places if we don't have a car. Hotel, theater, cafe. Okay, again, none of these words are new. I think we've used all of these words before. A hotel, if we're traveling somewhere, we stay in a hotel, right? In a different city, a different country. We go to a theater to see a performance or a show. And we can go to the cafe to spend time with our friends, to have a snack, to have a drink, a coffee, right? Clothes shop, bridge, zoo. Good. And remember, pronunciation of the letter Z, which we see here, number 12, is Z, not F, okay? So it's not thu, it's zoo, right? Cool. I think these vocabulary words are easy peasy. Am I right? So let's continue and practice. So now here, you have to read the sentence and complete with the correct vocabulary word, all right? The sentence is like a little hint. Do you remember what hint means? Hint is pista, okay? So let's listen to the sentence and think of what the correct vocabulary word is. I want to have a snack and a drink. I can go to the cafe. This is what I said earlier. If you were listening, then you know the answer already, right? Let's do the next one. I want to travel in and out of the city. I can go to... Where can we go to help us travel? The bus stop or the train station. Right. And remember what I said also. If we have a car, of course, we can get our car from the car park. But many people, especially here in Madrid, do not have a car. So we use the bus stop or the train station to help us move around. I want to have fun. I can go to the theater or the zoo. I want to cross the river. I can go to the bridge. Good. A bridge helps us to cross over water. I'm traveling and I need a place to stay. I can go to the hotel. Fantastic job today, guys. I think that this unit's vocabulary is pretty easy, right? So continue to study and make sure you're practicing the spelling of these vocabulary words also, because later, of course, I will ask you if you know how to spell them. Other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.